Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Jesus Christ, I thought this day would never ever happen in this channel because it was just impossible to find this bag. It was impossible. I mean, if my family name was Kardashian, it would be easy, but unfortunately I'm born in the wrong family. But miracles happened and I was able to find one of my 2020 handbag wish list, more or less. You will understand why. On Vestiaire Collective for peanuts, baby, peanuts. So guys, I was looking for this bag. I'm not going to say it's impossible to find. If you want to spend $2,000 or even more for this, you can find it. It's not a problem. You can find it easily on Vestiaire Collective, on eBay, etc. But I'm not going to pay for this because, you know, when Kardashians wear some bags, believe me, the price just boom. Boom, boom, boom. Everything becomes so expensive, and this was a special collaboration between Louis Vuitton and Murakami. So if you watch my videos, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Guys, Mamma mia, it happened. I found it. I found this bag. Where did I find it? I found it on Vestiaire Collective. It wasn't the first time I saw this bag there, but the price was always way too expensive, and when it was reasonable, impossible to find, impossible to buy. I think I was able to buy it because thing number one, I always have my notifications for the bags I am looking for. Second, I am a premium member of Vestiaire Collective, which means I pay 27 euros for 3 months and I am able to see the bags that will be available on this website. And as a premium member, when you put a bag on your cart, you can reserve it, block it for 30 minutes. And I didn't know it was possible. I always, when I missed all the bags I wanted to buy, I had this premium thing saying that you cannot purchase because a premium member is, you know, just booked it. And I was like, what the hell, do I need to spend billions of dollars to be a premium member? And then I was just scrolling on their website and I saw that if you just pay 27 euros, you can have these services. I think you have more things, but it's not a topic today. I think I will do another video about it because I think it's something people might not know, because it was hard for me to understand what this premium service was. And then I think I was able to buy it because I was in San Francisco. So the difference, you know, the hour was really like 9 hours difference with Europe. So I don't know, I think when I saw it online, it was, I don't know, 3 p.m. here, and I was in the middle of the afternoon there. And I don't know, I was like, how can someone in Europe now just, I don't know, something happened. I was awake and I don't know, the rest of the world was sleeping. So lucky me, I bought it. And I think I did like ask for a discount to get this one because I remember I didn't pay the price the seller was asking for. So guys, open your eyes because I will show you my 2020 miracle, because I don't know if it will have some more miracles like this year, so let me just enjoy it. Ah, yes, 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 yes. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Sorry. This, you guys know this bag is so hard to get. So this is the Mini Speedy, Louis Vuitton and Murakami collection. Let me just put something inside so it looks more pretty. Please, I need to take this off. Look how amazing this bag is. Just like, I cannot believe this is finally mine. Why? Well, because it's really hard to find for a normal price. This bag retails for $1,000 to $2,500, because this is a really like rare bag to find, and it's mine. It's finally mine, guys. I am so happy. I can't believe it's mine. Is the bag perfect? No, it's not. There is a few flaws. For example, this little thing that it's ripped. I need to fix it. I need to send it to Louis Vuitton, but it's fine. I don't care about it. I paid for this one with the taxes and everything $450 more or less, which is really cheap. The week I got this one at home, I saw an auction on eBay for the same one, and the bag, I don't know, I stopped, you know, following the auction when the bag was at 700, and I know the price would go up because I saw a black one listed, and I stopped looking at the auction when the price was at 1,100 something. I was like, that's crazy. Okay, I love this bag, it's really original. This is a collector, but 1,000 something. This is, you know, really expensive for this one, but never say never. You never say never, no, 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 no. I think this is a Justin Bieber song. Well, I never say never because I want the black one. And I think the black one will kill me because, I don't know, I just think the black one is amazing. But yeah, guys, I just, you know, this is a little unboxing. This is a little unboxing. I need to do a full review of it really soon once I will wear it. This, I know this will be my little summer bag because this one is way too cute. This one is so pretty, like, mon dieu, this is so like cute. I mean, please look at this. But yeah, I will definitely do a full review of it. As usual, what do you guys think about it? What you cannot say I wasn't lucky, because to get this bag, okay, it's not perfect, but it's in a really good condition for the price I paid. I was lucky. And I can't believe it's finally mine. Like, I'm in love with it. No, I'm not going to wait summer. I will be rocking this little baby with my winter coats from tomorrow, because this is gorgeous. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check my other videos because I have some handbags problems. I have so many bags and all my videos are about bags. And yeah, let me know what you think about it. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next miracles, because believe me or not, there is so much coming this year. You will not believe your eyes. Guys, gros bisous. Thank you again and à bientôt. Bye.